let's get into the turnover pass. Okay, so if you have seen my tutorial on the square up pass, this is very similar. I'll leave a link for the square up pass down below, but that is the pass where you have your card in the center, and in the act of just squaring the deck up, you bring that card to the top. Well, with the turnover pass, instead of squaring it up, you're still doing a square up, but you're doing a square up in the act of turning the deck over. Okay, and it's really a smooth way to do the pass. Both of these passes are based on the Herman pass, so I'll get into the mechanics here in a second. Let me show you one more time. There's your center card, and as you bring the deck together, you turn it over. You can even do this nice and slow and just square the deck up. All right, you have initiated the pass. All right, let's get into the mechanics of the turnover pass. All right, let's take one more look from an exposed view. Got your break, and there is your turnover pass. Okay, let's get into it. Step one, you catch a break above the packet you want to bring to the top, and you tilt the bottom packet to the right until it clears the top packet. While you're doing that, you turn the top packet over, placing the bottom packet beneath it. You square up the deck as it's face up, and you turn the deck over and you square it up again. Now, let me show you this from the side exposed angle. Now watch, you can use the pinky or the fingers to kind of pull down that bottom packet. You see that? And then it clears the top packet. Turn it over, do your square up, and then turn the whole deck over, square up again. Okay, so the toughest part of this move for most people is getting that bottom packet to do what you want it to do. And what you want it to do is pop up so that it clears this top packet. That way when you turn that over, you're essentially dropping it right there on the bottom of the deck. Okay, so to do that, you've got a grip you can get on the bottom packets with your pinky, middle, and ring finger, and that alone will get you a turn. And then if you use the kind of the ball area of your hand, you can just kind of pop it. All right. Now from there, you can open up those fingers, and that whole packet will, without the use of the thumb, you should be able to get that to turn over. You lift it to exaggerate. That pops, that turns, they go on top of each other, and you square up. Okay. And then you just do it a little closer, to where it's right on top of each other. All right, guys, that's it. That is the turnover pass. If you have any questions, comments, or thoughts, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will get you each and every one of them. And I want to thank you for hanging in there with me. More videos are on the way. Remember, like, subscribe, ding the bell. There's one other thing I'm forgetting. Oh, yeah. Stay sharp. Stay card sharp.
Card sharp.